Hello, snack fiends. Oh, let me bring in here. Hello, snack fiends. Yetti here. Today we're trying Nature's Bakery fig bars, blueberry and original. I was curious if there was a difference in their flavors. So, whole wheat flour, fig paste, cane sugar, brown rice syrup, canola oil, whole grain oats, fruit juice, and then the rest is flavorings. Not a bad looking package. Purple I like. Purple kind of says figs, you know, figs are purple. Can be purple. It looks like, dun, da, 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 a fig frickin' Newton. All right. It's drier than a fig Newton, but the fig is there. The cake isn't too sweet. Heartier than the fig Newton. Figgy. Yeah. It tastes like a bit heartier, a little bit more healthier version of fig Newton. I really like it. Not bad at all. And there's two of them in there. Now we're gonna try the blueberry. So that was figgy, has a nice cakey aftertaste. So I'm curious of the blueberry. Probably the same stuff, fig paste, brown blueberry jam. So blueberry and fig instead of just fig. Let's see here. Looks like a fig Newton. Okay. Tart and blueberry. Okay, good. There you go. The blueberry is overwhelming, but that's a good thing. So, cake is moist, a bit grittier, but more hearty than the regular fig Newtons. Blueberry, right off the bat, and has a nice, pleasant aftertaste. These are very pleasant fig Newtons. Because they are so dense, I don't think you'll sit down and wolf down as many of them. There's something about those light cookies that make it so easy to eat so many, but then you have a little bit dense where you have to say, I'm gonna take my time. I think this will slow down that snack cravings a little bit. All right, these get a thumbs up, and the blueberry definitely just tastes better than the fig. All right, snack fiends, Yetti out.